In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot for task management in 2025. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to enhance your task management skills, this tutorial will guide you through the essential steps. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to appna2.hubspot.com. You'll be directed to a page where you can begin your free trial with HubSpot Sales Hub Professional. This setup is perfect for managing your tasks efficiently. Now, you might be wondering, why HubSpot? Well, HubSpot provides an intuitive platform that integrates seamlessly with various sales tools, allowing for a comprehensive management experience. Once you've arrived on the HubSpot trial guide page, the first area you'll want to focus on is the Tasks section. Click on the Tasks tab, which you'll find prominently displayed on your dashboard. The Tasks section is your command center for overseeing all your task-related activities. It allows you to group tasks, prioritize them, and keep track of deadlines, ensuring you're always on top of what needs to get done. Now, let's delve into how you can create a task. On your Tasks page, you'll see a button labeled Create Task. Go ahead and click on this button. This step is pivotal in helping you organize your workflow. Once clicked, a form will appear asking for details about the task you want to create. This is where you can specify the name of the task, which should be short but descriptive, to give you an immediate understanding of the task's objective. Additionally, you'll find fields to set due dates and assign tasks to different team members if you're working in a collaborative environment. Adding a priority level to each task is highly recommended, as it helps you focus on what needs immediate attention. After entering all the necessary details, be sure to hit the Save button. Now, why is this important? Well, saving commits your task to the system, ensuring it's officially part of your task workflow. This step is crucial in keeping track of your tasks over the long term and having a point of reference when reviewing completed and pending tasks. To wrap things up, managing tasks in HubSpot not only allows you to keep your assignments organized, but also enhances your productivity by providing a clear overview of what needs to be accomplished. This method of task management makes time allocation simpler and prioritizes productivity by reducing the chaos often associated with task management. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to use HubSpot for task management in 2025. Remember, the key to effective task management is consistency and adaptability, leveraging tools like HubSpot to build a more organized and productive workflow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to drop your queries in the comments section below.